Okay, so we go to lesson number 2, which is advantages of swing trading. Now, swing trading is suitable for those who have no time to trade, to day trade. It means if you have no time to day trade, so what you should do swing trading, which is better because uh, you don't have time to be stuck to your screen all day. That means if you have a day job and you don't have time to monitor your trade, swing trading is the solution. Second, it is the best trading style to make money. It means um, you just uh, you just are there when the stock is active, and you can make money very quick compared to investing where you stay years to see if there is any movement, or day trading which has only little price action. Okay, let's say you buy stock at $10, and after a few days or weeks it goes to 20. Now this amount of profit you can't get it in day trading in one day. That's why swing trading is better. Now, see, there is less stress and frustration in swing trading than day trading. It means when you do swing trading, you are not stressed and frustrated because uh, in the day trading, you don't know what is the direction of the stock. So you begin to buy long, and then a few minutes it go down, and then a few minutes it go up. So you will have a problem. So that's why you get frustrated, and maybe if you have experienced day trading, you will feel that stress and frustration. That's why swing trading is better. Now there is no pressure to trade since swing trading is to follow uptrends. There is no need to trade a lot. Okay, you just trade once or two times or three times a week, and if the stock is good, you can stay with weeks, days or weeks or months. So that's why you trade less. Swing traders are searching for momentum and good opportunities. It's not each day you come and you trade. No, you are searching for momentum, for stocks that can be active and you can make money. Now, swing trading is suitable for everyone, either beginner or professional. What does it mean? It means it's very easy to be applicable. Okay. Moreover, you can learn swing trading at any age, either young or very old. It means age is not a problem because you just train yourself and follow rules, and then you can be a professional trader in 1 year or two. F. Swing trading is also good for small account traders. Suppose that you have only small account like 2,000 or 1,000 or 3,000. If you buy some stocks and they go good, you can make money better than you do day trading. Now, G. Swing traders do less trades than day traders. It means in terms of commission, they will help minimize your commissions and fees. It means when you do swing trading, normally you spend less commissions and fees. Now, if you trade a lot like day trader, you will lose a lot of money from commissions and fees. Now, H, swing trading is all about minimizing risk and maximizing profit. Okay? If there is no uptrend, for example, for a stock, there is no need to do a trade. It means if the stock doesn't move up or down too much, so why you buy this stock? You are just wasting your time. If the stock begins to be against you, you have to exit the trade with a stop loss. Okay? Now, when the market is against you, you should stop and exit the trade with a stop loss, and that's it for this trade. If the stock goes again and it shows you good active price, you can buy it again. If the stock is going up, let it run to have more profits. And at the end, swing traders are looking for excellent opportunities when there is a move of the market up or down. Okay? It's like speculation. It means you are going to just find few opportunities and you buy stocks. There is no need to buy stocks when there is no trend. It means if a stock is trending into a range up and down, like few dollars up, few dollars down, so there is no need to buy this stock. So you keep your money safe in your account. It's better than to trade a volatile market where no one knows which direction the market is. Okay, so this is all for the advantages. There are more advantages, but this is what I find suitable for you. Thank you very much and have a nice day.